Clap, clap, clap. When my baby calls, I go sharp, sharp, sharp. She told me that she like my milli rock, rock, rock. She likes to put on shades and a cap, cap, cap. Oh, my baby know that she fly, fly, fly. And she know she hotter than fire, yeah. I say many oh, inti da, da, da. So really as oh, you can dab, 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 oh.
Hi Nobles, welcome back to my channel, and I want to say thank you for the love on the previous video on my hair color, and everyone was like, oh my gosh, I love the hair on you, it looks gorgeous, but nobody knows like that color was a mistake. So like I said, the first one was a mistake, but now I have a better tutorial, and I just only use the Weller toner and the 20% developer. And the previous one I can't show you a tutorial because obviously a mistake, but I kind of made it work. But then the best thing for you guys to do is get a toner and a developer and you're good to go. So for this tutorial I used the T28. I used the Weller toner T28 to achieve this color in natural blonde, and a 20% developer. Then the Weller toner T18, which is in the ash blonde and 20% developer. And this is the color I achieved. Bear in mind, I haven't styled this yet, just because I want to show you guys how I darken the lace, because I do know when you darken the roots of the 613 bundles, you can still see a bit of blonde on the roots, because obviously you don't want to get it stained. So I'm going to be putting up that tutorial next so you guys can see the final look of the ash blonde color, which I absolutely love. But now we can focus on how the movement of the hair still, you know, it's still there. You can see the quality of the hair. It is from my line. It's from my Freeborn Noble Wigs line and Freeborn Noble hair extensions and lash line. I'm also wearing my lashes, guys, but I'm gonna have that for a separate video. So because I'm using longer bundles, or because I have longer bundles, I'm going to be using 4T. And then I'm gonna use my 6% 20 volume developer. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when it's dried.
Quickie, oh, quickie. She call me on the phone when she tell I got it like. She get better all the time, she my fine wine. Me get that and you back kind.
Hopefully you guys love this tutorial, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my business page, Freeborn Noble Wigs, and follow me on Instagram as well, and Snapchat. Snapchat is a big one. You can get all my info on my wig page, and the website will be launching very soon as well, which I'm excited for. But I hope you guys love this hair. I absolutely love it. And this is in a natural blonde. Love this extensions, and I used 3 bundles to achieve this wig and closure. So it's 3 bundles of 24 inches and 20 inches closure. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.